Guys, today this must be my last part the video today. So as you can see, that Sitio Fangorao, that this is the what do you call this, parachute, and that line there, this line is the symbols that there's a festival there. And up here they are just fixing that there. As you can see, they are fixing the signboard. So that's the view there. I don't know if there's someone. That's the view there. That's the view. This is Mount Pupapoy. Hey, that is Mount Pupapoy. Although that's not the highest mountain here in Maligcong. It's just that Mount Pupapoy is where there's no trees shading you or shading the view of the rice terraces and the sea of clouds and the sunrise. And that part is Mount Fato, and that is Mount Pupapoy. They are just small mountains, but the higher mountains here is full of trees. That's why even when I go and take a picture, it is not good. I think that's only good for high-tech cameras. So that's the view there. That's the rice terraces of Maligcong. And then up there, these are the rice granary. Let me show you this. This up until there, up there, there's no nails that are being used. The nails are only used on that shading area. That's how I don't know what to say. That's how creative. That's how creative our ancestors are. Guys, there's people there. There's someone there. And another thing there. So I guess I will just put this on my head. Nope. This way. We are now at the rice field again. And this is the rice. As we finish in this rice field, we'll just go down. We'll just go this straight, then go down to the river, then go up again, up until to the church, then go uphill again, then go down, then that's our house. Guys, let's go. They are scared of some people. I don't know why they are scared, but they are very I don't know what to call it. So that's it. Guys, this is as I just said. I don't know if I just said this, but this is the last part of today's video, in today's journey. And let me show you where we started, or what mountain did we climb from the start, because we have made a loop or circle, I mean. So that area, starting from there, there's a bridge there, up there, up there. That's where we started. Then we just go this way. In that way, that mountain where we can where I always want to go, but I failed. I'll try tomorrow. And this is the view where this is the area where it was will be filled up with clouds. This area. And up there, where up in the area where I did showed you on the last part, on the second to the last part, I just showed you that area was covered there also. That's why it is a good do up there in Mount Matuon. That's Mount Matuon. There we can see a good view for sea of clouds. Oh, this has no water. In this area, the water is lacking because the watershed or water irrigation is being fixed by, there's already a project. That's why they are fixing the irrigation. That's why as of now, waters here, some waters here, the rice fields here are out of water, and there are some small amount of waters that are filling these rice fields because of water, mineral waters coming out in those mountains. There are also mineral waters there coming out, but they are not big enough to supply the rice fields, because watershed is where the river down there is coming up. So it's already turning 12 minutes. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, because I know by watching my videos you have wasted your time. That's why I recommend you to watch my videos during your rest day or free time, or when you're not working. They are all same words, but I just use different words. So please watch them, and I hope you've learned something, not just on what you see on the video or what I just said, but I hope you have observed the way I speak, the way I make videos, but the way I take pictures or videos. I think I'm just using this cell phone. That's why I think there are some adjustment, and the way I talk, the way I explain, something like that. I hope you've learned something, and comment down below and suggest some. And of course, on the comment or on the things that you've observed that is mistake or wrong that I did here, please comment down and apply it in your real life also. So I think that's it, guys, because it's already turning 14 minutes. Oh, let's just wait to 1 minute more. Let's just take a video 1 minute more. Oh, this is not clear because they are working up there for a project. So I just said a project, irrigation. So uphill